This is Max Williams with United Real Estate. Today I'm in the city of Richmond, more specifically North Highland Park. Today we're going to take a look at a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home. This home is located here in a neighborhood with some really good sized lots by urban standards. We've got a nice mix of different types of construction here. As I look around, we've got homes that are vinyl siding, we've got brick, we've got asbestos, we've got stucco. Just a nice combination. Most of them are what we consider four-square. Four-square homes are very common here in North Richmond. This location is great. We have a park right there in the next block, and a lot of people love calling Northside home because you are, of course, in the city of Richmond, still convenient to all of the highways, Western Henrico, downtown, Shockoe Bottom, Carytown, and you really get to know your neighbors. When you're in an urban environment, I've lived in both urban and suburban locations, and I really enjoyed building those relationships over time with people that lived in the neighborhoods. Okay, here on the front of the home, we have a nice big porch. This is actually a very wide porch. You can get many rocking chairs out. The neighbors directly ahead did just that. They've actually got a hanging swing, and you can definitely do that as well. I noticed as I was pulling up next door, there is active construction going on. So that home is currently undergoing renovation. The construction trailer is out front, and I'm sure it will be home to a new owner very soon. All right, let's go on in and take a look. The floor plan here is a little different than what we typically see in this part of town. As we come in, we have a nice 2-story vestibule, and you can see that grand staircase goes up. We've got the beautiful stained glass window there, nice touch, and directly ahead is going to be our powder room. So this is a great place to put this powder room right here at the front. It just makes a lot of sense. This renovation occurred back in 2018, and it included new systems, so the home is in very good condition. This is interesting because I've never seen a door to the basement in that location. Our basement down there, it is an unfinished partial basement. We're not going down there, not because I'm scared, it's just because we've got low head clearance, and I don't want to go down there and bang my head. I've already done that once in the past 12 months. As we come through into the family room, I love these pocket doors. You see the hardware there. I bet that's 1920s original when this home was built. Just a really nice look. 1946 is our square footage here on this 3-bedroom home. We've got ebony floors, nice big bay window. Look at the decorative tile here around this coal-burning fireplace. We no longer burn coal here in the United States, but that is original to the home when it was built. That was the heat source back in 1920. So it's not uncommon to see those fireplaces in every room. All right, let's go on back and see what we have back here. This is going to be the dining portion of the home underneath that light. Normally in this floor plan, these walls would come further out and then you'd have a pocket door in them. But they've gone ahead and just opened this up very nicely for today's lifestyle. Notice this fireplace is a little different. We've got the columns on either side, and I want you to look at some of that metalwork, just very nicely done. All right, I'm gonna give you a shot here from the corner. We've got these nice tall insulated windows. Insulated windows are a big plus in an older home like this because the original windows typically are very energy inefficient. So you want to make sure that you have good efficiency in your home. This home does have dual heating and air. So we've got upstairs and downstairs dual zone, which is always a smart move in these older homes. All right, here in the back, we can see that this approximately 1/5 of an acre, very big here by city standards, and you're fenced all the way around. You've got good privacy. There is a gate there in the back if you wanted to pull a vehicle in off the alley, and this is definitely an oversized deck. This deck is almost the whole width of the house, with the exception of about 6 feet or so here on the side. So we've got a lot of space back here for entertaining. You, of course, could continue the party right there on the grass as well. There is a tree back there in the middle, so you've got a little bit of shade if you wanted to keep that back there. All right, let's go back in and see what our kitchen has in store. It's right here to the right. This is going to be an eat-in kitchen. We've got space for a table, 42-inch cabinets. We've got the nice subway tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances. This is a high-definition countertop, and it's got a beveled edge. They just started doing this just a few years ago with the beveled edge, but it's a nice decorative touch on those high-definition laminate countertops. And your dinette would go right there in that area. We do have first floor laundry with both washer and dryer in place. Good natural light, and then we've got some additional storage overhead. This home has upgraded electrical. This is going to be 200 amp electrical, the same service they would put in a brand new home. So you're good to go from that standpoint. All right, let's go ahead and transition back upstairs. When these homes were built, or were renovated rather, the city of Richmond had what they call a tax abatement program. So it's important to ask if that abatement is still in place. The abatement for many of the homes went approximately 10 years. So some of these homes might have that abatement, which is going to translate into reduced taxes for any subsequent owner. So you would be eligible even though you didn't actually do the renovation. Okay, here we are. This is going to be our primary bedroom. That is an extra wide window there at the very front of the home. Notice there is no carpet whatsoever in this home, and our closet directly ahead. This is going to be a 3/4 primary bath. And speaking of baths, last video was in Hanover, and I inadvertently missed a 3/4 bath on the first floor. And some of you treated me like I had just missed the December child support payment, and you definitely made it known that you didn't appreciate me missing that 3/4 bath. So I apologize. I didn't mean to miss it. I just was so excited to bring you guys the primary bath that I just kind of blew by the first floor bath. So I apologize. I'm not going to miss any rooms on this house, I promise you. Speaking of bathrooms, this is our hall bath. We've got ceramic tile on the floor here and our fiberglass tub shower right here. Good natural light flows into this space. These big windows are just so nice when it comes to getting plenty of light. Once again, we've got the really tall ceilings. These are at least 10-foot ceilings here in this beautiful home. We've got the archway here going into this secondary bedroom. This is going to be I actually believe this is the largest bedroom. We are in the rear corner of the home, and you could definitely get a king-size bed in here with no problem, with plenty of furniture, and still have room left over. One of the big benefits of these homes is very generous bedrooms. So this is a definite example of that, and plenty of light because we've got 4 windows here in this room. This is going to be the most conservative of the bedrooms, but still a very good size. You could definitely do a twin or full-size bed in here with no problem. This would also be a good home office space. Got some natural light there on the side. Look at this detail. This is really neat. They put this on some of the corners in the home in order to protect the edges. Some more detail there with the knobs, the glass knobs. And there's our closet. All right, that's going to do it for this beauty. Remember, we have the rent-to-own program that's available in the counties in Hanover, Chesterfield, and Henrico, starting at $12.50 a month and up. So if you are looking to rent to own, that may be a great option for you. Give me a call. Max Williams, 804-402-7788. I can reach on Facebook under Richmond Area Foreclosures, on YouTube under my name, Max Williams Realtor. Please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe if you'd be so kind. Thanks so much for taking the tour. Have a great day.